In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix version of AMD software you have launched is not compatible with your current installed AMD graphics. So first thing you want to do is go to Device Manager. Here, go to Display Adapters. So you will see something like AMD. For me, I don't have the AMD, but if you do see AMD, then right click on AMD and then go to Properties and then Drivers, and then if you see an option for rollback, just roll back the driver. So after rolling back, you might see like apply, okay, and it will ask you to restart your computer. So if you don't see this option, then what you have to do is just update your driver. So just right click and then update. Once you update it, you will also have to restart the computer. So make sure you choose the latest version and then click next. And then once done, this should fix it.